So this is the official unboxing of my Kawasaki Z650 crash cage. It's by R-Gaza. Ordered online, it costs about 300 bucks. It comes in that lime green Kawasaki color. So let's see, we got a couple different pieces in here. Only 2 crash cages. Comes with some instructions here. Laminated instructions. That's pretty cool.
Motovlogger. Motovlogger.
So, got your right side and the left side. Right around the bike. Some premium steel. You ever think about just changing this color for show? Let's see what we got here.
Motovlogger.
All the pieces. Oh, that's short. Let's go for another piece. Well, we'll figure it out. Next up is the paint shop.
Alright guys, you're back with Motovlogger. We're going to be installing the R-Gaza crash cages on our Kawasaki Z650. We're going to take them on over to Jedi Designs, get them custom painted silver to match the kick plate, and we're going to roll out with these bad boys. We're going to do a whole tutorial on how to put them on, so stay tuned. You're checking in with Motovlogger. Like that? Cut! New Motovlog entry. Data, January 20th, 2020. Installation of the R-Gaza crash bars. Ninja Z650. Cut! So I ordered the R-Gaza crash bars. They came in the mail. Came in the mail. Alright, here we go.
Oh my god.
Action. Take 5. Rolling. Alright guys, so we back. Today we got the Kawasaki Z650 in STORMCLOUD blue. In STORMCLOUD blue. I'm gonna close this door. Camera rolling. Take 6 and action. I got the crash cage here. We got to get them repainted. So I'm going to holler at my boy at Jedi Designs.
Hey, open my door.
Cut! So I got my boy at Jedi Designs. He's going to custom paint them for me. We're going to get it to silver to match this kick plate here. The shin guard or whatever you want to call it, the ankle guard.
Motovlogger.
Alright folks, so we on our way to pick up our silver crash bars painted up by Jedi Design. So we're gonna go check these out and slap them on our bike. Come along for the ride, y'all. Alright, so we pulling up to the spot right now. I'm gonna run up in here and grab these bars real quick. Hopefully they look like I expect them to look. Motovlogger. Hondo farts.
Are you recording?
Alright, yeah, so we, wait a second, let's go again. Yeah, so we just picked up the bars. They came out, they looking good, they looking real nice. Got that silver coat. We're gonna match it with the bike and throw it right on our boy STORMCLOUD with the silver.
You see my hand?
So I got the crash cage painted, powder coated, silver. So I'm about to install it here on my Kawasaki Z650. Once again, this is the R-Gaza crash cage made for the Ninja 650 or the Kawasaki Z650. So I already put one bolt in the spacer through on one side here. And I'm gonna put the other side on and then I'm gonna keep going through. I just wanna get everything slowly connected first. I'm just really winging it, man, when I do my stuff, man. I know I need to follow these instructions, but man, these instructions are weird. It's just kind of weird, man. Like, I don't get all of this. It's like blah, blah, blah. Well, yeah, we're gonna just keep winging. Okay, we broke it. Keep hitting it with this drill now. There's a screw that be on the back of it that just fell out. It's this, but you replace this bolt with another one when you put the cage on. By the time you screw it slower to unthread itself, but this thing is kind of hard. I was mentioning him, you can tap it from the other side though. Right up under here, you can see the bolt. Sit on there a little bit, just tap it on out. And this bolt gonna go through that side with, there is a spacer that's gonna go on that side too. That. This is I hope you're doing it right job, you know. Pull that out. That's that, and that's the back end. So you set your right side of your cage on, this slips in here. And this where the spacer goes in here to like give you that space to mount it to. So put the spacer here. Maybe it does go just like that. That's perfect. Spacer. No washer, bolt with a washer. Like this. So I gotta find a side that fit this. That goes through all the way. Hopefully it reaches through the other side. Doesn't seem to. Let's see. Screw in that spacer sleeve and a washer. Check, make sure this fits. Let's see. That only gets you a little bit through. Okay, guys. I just went through a whole install and I think I put a few things on the wrong way, so I'm gonna try it again. This time I'm gonna try to do it the right way. A lot of pieces, I think I know which each piece is now, so skip it. I got to see which one of these is longer. This was my issue. And of course, yes, this one is longer. I had these two in the wrong space. Okay, so start with the right side. Start the right side bar. This. Bam. Just gonna put the washer on this side.
lock nut on there, which is right here. Let's irritate the bar. They tight now. Lock everything down tight. Paint got where this is hard to go in, but get in. On there, nice and solid. I'm just putting a little crash bottoms on, little crash knobs. Screw this in. Alright, just putting the crash knobs onto the cage. And this is about to be done. I'm so glad it's done. Boy, oh boy. Alright, so it took me some time to get the cage on there due to these poor instructions. Like, what does all of this mean? But I got it on there. Cage is pretty secure. The thing is tight. I'm gonna take this boy for a ride, test it out.
subscribe.